let me try to see. Let me try to fix it. No. Maybe right now. Yeah, it's fine. It's working normally right now. Good. So let me fix Formula somehow. Yeah. Perfect now. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you on board. Ready to go for the targets. Ready to kick off, start off 2026. This is actually, like I said, the second stream. Tennis master, about to become a tennis master. You guys better come out and see some tennis games. Should do a live stream with a tennis game, right? Alright, buddy. Consistency. You've been scamming people with multiple accounts. You're good to go. I've showed you the proof of your scam, and you're still coming out claiming the accounts. That's pretty much wild and crazy. So you guys, look at that one. Price action is dropping. We are on fire. Price action is dropping. But let me tell you something, it's not gonna be an easy week. Good morning, welcome everyone. It's not gonna be an easy week, I'm telling you guys, with all the events during the weekend, with all the things that happened. The macroeconomy, the geopolitics are changing. This is changing, so the markets will somehow adapt. Good evening out there. We've got some levels here. 478 yearly opening. The volatility has not been there for the whole day so far. I mean, there's just a couple of points here or there, but constantly we've been respecting the green line, which obviously speaks about the respect towards the daily volume weighted average price is this one, right? We've been respecting that specific line. So obviously 495, 496, if we get there, I'm gonna bid. Yeah, hopefully they get terrified, hopefully. But they got sufficient money to pay out, so they don't get that terrified. Nah. Make sure to join our Discord, and for the sales and promotions of the week, we talked about in our Discord a weekly roundup right there. January the 5th to the 9th. The current weekly promotions are all updated and listed with the maximum discount available. Still negotiating with Savius for the best numbers out there, but all the others have been fully updated. Right, give me that 495, that green line, daily volume with average price. You don't receive the code. There's quite some people not receiving the code, and I need to verify what's happening with Formula. Why are they doing this with me? What's happening? What's wrong with the market makers doing that? Yeah. Nobody received a code, looks like. For some reason, nobody received a code. It's quite silly. But let me try to see if I find it out. The code is not coming. So you don't receive the code. Yeah, let me verify that one, guys. Maybe Formula today is not going to have it. Formula, do not let us down today. Good morning, welcome everyone. Cheers, everyone. Have a good time. Formula is playing games with us, right? Yeah, we're gonna talk about Nasdaq soon. I'm watching that monthly opening, daily volume weighted average price right below the 500s. Could be something interesting. We've got 5 days of trading on this account for the YRM. Right, so even without formula, we're gonna do. Yeah, Top 1 futures is 40% right now. Gotta update some of the banners, but the latest promotions, guys, you see them here, sales and promotions on our Discord, and here's the Discord link. Could be a situation here to dive into. I only want to make 150 bucks here, probably. And I'm testing out some micros. Right. I'd like to see if we can get into the VWAP or the monthly opening, which is actually the yearly opening, before we generate for another runner, or this whole retracement was it all? Big question mark, guys. Big question mark. Could get the red line, which is a dynamic swing right now rejecting me, which is why I shorted. And we'll take it from there. You just got your first payout from YRM. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, the email verification is not coming through today, which is why I'm going to take the link down. Fixing the... And I'll put that one as a pin message. I'll just grab some more shorts there. If it sticks, we're gonna take advantage. We're gonna fix the giveaway link. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So, any chance that Ticktick trader is looking for a buyer prop firm for themselves or going bankrupt? There is no communication, even with me, from their executive. So making speculations by me is not possible, because there is a chance for actually at this moment for anything, right? It's a total chance for anything, let's put it that way. I don't have any form of security it's going to be one way or the other. Interesting buying pressure stepped in. So because I don't have anything. Yes, you can buy directly YRM accounts instant funded, which is what I'm trading here. You don't need to pass an evaluation if you buy an instant funding account. What a buying pressure, guys. Ho ho! Did not expect it that strong 2 5-minute candlestick at all. Did not expect it that strong 5-minute candle at all. But let me tell you something. We've got an interesting strategy to minimize the effect of the current state of the pump. Let's see if it works. We got a bunch of cushion out here. Let me see what we can do. Right? Let me see what we can do. You don't need to pass an evaluation unless you buy an evaluation account, right? But the instant prime, so not the starter, the instant prime or instant funding accounts. I'm going to take partial losses. Basically, I need this candle to close out on red. That 5-minute looks ugly to me, guys. That 5-minute looks pretty much ugly to me. And I'll have to close out in a possible loss here, but that's not an issue. We will see how we can adjust this. Interesting. Thank you, guys. 2 minutes to go out of this candle. And we didn't touch anything on the downside. Basically, this reaction here comes midway through. So I'm not too happy about it. It's not an easy short. Let me see, in the meantime, what can I do with my formula? The price action needs to retrace, otherwise this is going to continue. Right, so we stopped there for a moment. But did not fully retrace. And that's not my bread and butter. That's not my bread and butter. Come on, bring it down, baby. Bring it down. Nah. I'm gonna cut you away. There's nothing I can do here, guys. I've cut something. I've cut partially there. Could be the reversal point, could be the market dropping back to the 40s. I had to cut something out of it. Had to do it. Had to do it. But at the same time, I'm looking forward opening a short on a different account. Making around 300 bucks here would be sufficient. This one is pretty deep into the water. Not an issue. Certainly not an issue. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video. Let's bring up those numbers. Had to sell something in the worst place possible with the other account. Stop loss and break even here. We're gonna buy, reshort this probably higher. If that's the case. We're gonna reshort this higher. That's why we're doing it this way. The good part is... Beautiful, right? Come on. We are trailing here. The target has been hit. $268 here. This one is having difficulties, but I'm selling partially, guys. I sold something. I sold something in that wick. And I'm gonna re-short higher. Let's see if it works. The good part is we made 268 here on this account. That actually matters a lot because this is day number 6 of the second cycle. Day number 6, we have 16 trading sessions. We had 10 for the first cycle and 6 for the second cycle already, which means 4 days, and that actually tells me by Friday I would be able to go for a payout. Let me see actually what's my highest profitable day, 500. So I gotta do the whole cycle, 2,500. I think I don't have that much for the moment. I only made around the minimum daily. But we'll do the math a little later. We also grabbed the brand new 150k instant funded today. DCing here a little bit. If it holds, we're gonna have an interesting chance in the short. If it holds here, guys, right? Not a bad rejection for the moment, gentlemen. Re-shorting with this account. This is a brand new account. I'm shorting it here as well. Let's see if our trading masterclass is functioning in the way we did it. Next 5 minutes wouldn't be bad to be red. Wouldn't be bad. Come on, guys. This is the first day on this account. Stop loss and break even. The target has been touched, 180 bucks. That's it. I don't need more for... come on. Come on, guys. This is the account we've been struggling with. We have accepted a partial loss. We've DC'd at the right levels, and now it looks great. And now it looks great. Come on, guys, a little bit lower. Stop loss break even. It's not looking bad, what we did, right? Come on, guys. That's looking beautiful. We're gonna have some partial exits there. We did some partial exits. We're continuing to do partial exits as market orders. We're continuing to do partial exits as market orders. We're continuing to do so. And I'm flat. 144 bucks profit. There you go, guys. Trading 101. How we have saved this in a masterclass way. Look at that one. Boom. They say we gamble, but we know what we're doing, right? Look at that one, guys. How we have saved that one. Getting back from a hole. DCing at the right spot. Minimizing risk. Accepting losses at the right spot. 144. We still got to do $5. I'm not going to rush into anything right now. The adrenaline is too high for me to be silly. I've been enough silly in 2025. The year has changed. Scrambles and fire different in 2026. No more silliness. It's gone. So let me see. We're going to try to fix Formula. As soon as Formula responds to my tickets, responds to my messages, which is, as you may know, not an easy thing. $6 is needed here, but we actually made a whole profit on the other accounts. 180 the first day on the brand new account, 150k instant funded, guys. Come on. YRM, you only need 10 days of 150k. $150, right? Instant funding account is right here. Big promo. Oops. Yeah. And the evaluation is on a big promo too. Look at that one. 268 right there. 141. Where's the account on 144? This one. Well, I think that's going to be an interesting opportunity. Let's see. Let's see if we get it. 5 micros for my target. I don't think I'm going to be let down by the price section. Come on. No activation fee. Come on. Exactly, Martin. Come on, keep going. No activation fee for the evaluations. And obviously for instant funded, no activation fee. Just 10 days of $150 each. And you can say goodbye. Cheers, everyone, by the way. We've got an interesting Monday. Gold ripping. BTC slowing down. Oh. Are they hunting the trailings here? Are they hunting for those trailings? What do you guys think? Let's just wait and see. But certainly not gonna wait without DCAing. From 5 micros, we're into 13 micros. I don't need that much of a profit here. I need the minimum. Cheers, everyone. Welcome. Keep it up. We need 2 points. We need 2 points and we're ready to go. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, guys. 155's 54 likes. We're not going to do the giveaway unless you like the video. Come on. Like the video. Be subscribed. Streaming daily. Monday to Friday. 8 a.m. EST time. Look at that silly price action. It's not driving me crazy, but it's rejecting at the worst spots. Not making me nervous, but at the same time, giving me opportunities for free. We are in a great spot. Let's go. The target is there. The target is there, guys. Come on. The target has been hit. 182 profit. We're going to celebrate. All the 3 accounts, instant funded, 150k. And it's running. It's ripping. Got to the target today. In how many minutes? Maybe like 20 minutes? Boom. Hey. Maybe like 20 minutes or something like that. 25 minutes. All the 3 accounts got to the target. So we finished trading with YRM. Time to see what we can do here for the top 1 futures. I think this is running higher, guys. And we got some flex accounts where I'm gonna flex my muscles today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
I think this is having an interesting impulse here. Let's see, we only need 500 bucks. We're quite aggressive here on that 1 minute closing. Let me try to see if I can get my Quant Tower. Formalo. Not investing a lot. I'm more into instant funded. Right? Instant funded and no email verification. I know. Formalo got it wrong. Today, Formalo is having a problem. I'm reaching to live chat and see how can I fix it. If it's not going to be fixed in 30 minutes, we're going to do the giveaway without Formalo. We're still going to do the Formalo thing tomorrow and so on. They have to respect our clients. Come on. It's not a difficult target there, guys. We're
Order
adding a little bit to
rejected.
this. Not enough margin. All right. You don't allow me more than 50 micros. Yeah, we're in the long here trying to see if we can cross that 60s. Trying to see if we can cross that 60s. For a couple of points, as you already know, we're scalping. But it's very important to see how we have managed to cover the loss earlier on the YRM account. How we have DCA'd out of the trade at the right spots. DCA'd out, DCA'd back. You want to see that? Stop loss and break even here. If you reject this for the 4th time, I gotta be out. So do not expect me to be.
Order filled.
And the target has been hit, ladies and gentlemen. 500 bucks. That's the target. We're starting the celebrations. Boom. Best of luck, everyone, on riding the fireworks. What's happening with Formalo? Why is it putting me down? Why is it letting me down? Why are they letting our community down? They gotta wake up, right? Let's see the live chat, which is always sleeping. I'd like to report an issue for the live chat. Bring it back to life. Email notifications are not coming through, buddy. What on earth are you doing? It always worked, I do know. But they're playing games with us today. Boom! Target has been hit. We're dropping the message to the live chat, which is gonna take 5 hours to respond. Like I said, we're gonna do the giveaways without Formalo. I'm not gonna let you down. Let me stop the fireworks here. You're watching me trading right now. Lucid Flex account. Lucid Flex account. We got interesting resistance here. An interesting resistance here located for the Nasdaq. We've got our ways. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. There is no giveaway if the likes are not going to reach to the top. Close to 200. Trading today are Lucid right now for YRM. We got to the targets. But the Lucid Flex accounts, keep in mind, there is no consistency and no target for the funded stage, which is absolutely nuts, right? We will get back to you as quickly as we can, usually within a few business hours. Guess that, guys. This is the way Formula is trading us. Instead of having someone on call with us and solving the problem, we're on live, but nobody cares. So we gotta make it. $570s, let me share with you. We're about to break out here. Do not underestimate the power of the trending indicator. The breakout is happening around here, so careful on what you're targeting. Exactly $6,000, but look at that, guys. So for Lucid, like, what do you want to target? If I target, I got myself 3 Lucid Flex accounts today fresh. Look at that one, 10 grand profit. 10 grand profit in a day last Friday. You guys remember? We did 10K profit there. 10,000 US dollars profit. You know, we have a lot of the profitable days here, back and forth. This is a different account. We did 400 on the Friday. But the one I'm trading here is going to be the one we made 10,000. 166. We have $16,000 cushion to the max loss. 16 grand. You got no consistency, you can trade like... I'll make a video, show you some strategies about. Thank you for providing helpful information, guys, in our Discord community. I'll try to make your video today or tomorrow. We'll see. On the way to take care about a Lucid, thinking about a 40 grand payout per month. Maybe not every month, and maybe not constantly, but a 40 grand target payout in a month is possible with a Lucid, and I'd like to present you. We're gonna film a video on the matter. That's an interesting rejection here, guys, which is why I am taking my shot in a short. All that wicks with a continuation into another strong wick could be a possible reversal point. Otherwise, I'll cut you right away. No worries. We just had a breakout, so DCing here and putting the stop loss slightly higher. Once we have a little wick, there you go. Stop loss there. We made money from shorts today. Yeah, 390 down. We just confirmed a breakout here. Clearly we're not having a fake out for the moment, which is something that I had on my mind. I mean, I did try something against the whole... You see, these are the times I'm cutting quickly. I'm not leaving my loss to run into danger. Like you saw my other trade earlier, we were down 2,000. There is a reason I kept that trade at 2,000 unrealized loss, and there is a reason I'm out of this one a lot earlier. We made a new high today. We made a new high today. We just made it. So Formula is letting me down in a silly way. Instead of sending emails, it's just asking for a few business hours and responding to tickets and live chat. Don't worry about, guys, we're gonna organize the giveaway. If you're part of the Discord, if you're like the video, subscribe and all that stuff, we're gonna be out here. We've hit the target on the top on futures too. "15-minute looks lovely. And it actually wants continuation, so last week's high, last month's high, 900s, 935, 893. You know, there's quite a few points still there, like 300 points. It's gonna be a pretty difficult week for the bears. You should be able to access your Ticktick trader account if Ticktick is still functional. You should be able. Grabbing my first long here. I think we're gonna get back into the 589, 590s. Let's see. Beautiful, stop loss and break even. And the target has been hit, $477 profit. Time of the fireworks, 477. That's the scalping way. That's the scalping way. Oh. 477 on this account, and it's just wild. Let's trade the next. Now let's wait a little bit. Lucid Flex. No target, no consistency on the funded stage. Look at that. 84 bucks for the 50k, but I'm trading 150k, 220 bucks. I just grabbed myself 3 evaluations of this again. Looking to max out on 5. We got 2 that are big accounts, a lot of the profits, 15k, 16k profits there. And 3 brand new 150k Lucid Flex. So we gotta do 6% to cross the evaluations, which is 9k. We got 50% consistency. We'll see how we can do that. But I'm not gonna rush, guys. You don't need to rush with this accounts. If there is 50% consistency, that doesn't mean you have to cross your evaluation in 2 days, or you have to organize in a such way to cross it in 2 days, because you can. Technically, from the theoretical representation. No, it attracts you in a wrong way, I believe so. No. It's been a while with a Ticktick trader. They are on pause. They're slowed down. I still have not received. No. Some people did receive. I saw that on their official Discord. But if we go to the Ticktick Trader community, I'm not able to post. I'm timed out because they haven't verified my account. Right, so I'm not even able to post in their official group, guys. Good morning, welcome guys. Great to have you on board. Make sure to like the video, everyone. There is a gap of 100 likes. Between the viewers. We're making a new high as we speak. I think Bitcoin is going to do a new high today, looking at the price action structure, and very likely it's going to cross last month's high. But the interesting side is with the gold. Oil is having an initial move for the upside, but I think it's going to come down. We'll see in the next weeks and months. US dollar probably going to sink. 615, look at that. Yeah, there's going to be giveaways today. Formalo is not sending out the verification code, guys, so there is an issue with Formalo. We're going to do the giveaway without Formalo today, without the giveaway link today. Formalo is not working. Bullinox maybe. I don't know what you say. What do last week passive valuation with Bullinox? Probably 50k with master account. Today it lost. What happened? Ho ho. What happened? You lost the account, or who lost the account? You're entering by being on the stream, liking the video, subscribing. You gotta be on the stream today. Link is not working. Good job, guys. Gold is there today, producing a lot of the people. Go for it. You entered today in giveaways by sitting on the stream and participating with the guest number. There is no giveaway link today. You don't need to submit anything on Discord. Just like the video, guys, and just be here. Still spinning the wheel, still doing the duck race. You still gotta guess the number. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Everything's normal without the form. All the fresh guys, we're streaming from Monday to Friday. Giveaways daily. Make sure to join our Discord. Come on. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. We got pretty good targets already today. Pretty much everywhere. Some of them are given by the props, some of them I buy. So there is a split. Let's see if we could actually continue here climbing. That's an inefficiency in that 1 minute red candle there. I'm not trusting it. You guys are watching the wrong screen. Now. That's a good one you got paid last Friday from the Ticktick. We will perform the giveaway on the wheel and dock race without the form. We will do everything as normally, but without the form. Yes. I think we have PMI today. 2 minutes before that one, for those of you trading YRM, do not open trades during 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after, right? So 4 minutes window, do not open up trades or close your trades. If you have something running prior to that time frame, just let it run through the window of 4 minutes. You buy a new evaluation for the YRM. New evaluation. Come on, guys. Where's the 1 minute green candle? I think we're gonna get it soon. That inefficiency there. It always goes back to evaluation. Any resets goes back to evaluation. You gotta buy a new account, right? So if you had an evaluation, you lost the evaluation, you go back to your evaluation when you're reset, like buying a new account. You always go back to evaluation. That's a decent initial reaction there. You know, I'll be selling something here. I don't mind doing that because I'm happy with $250 on my target, let me tell you honestly. You know, we've got some limit orders there. This candle here of the 1 minute stop loss and break even. Liquidity needs to be grabbed from it. Price action must go inside and fill up the trailings and fill up the liquidity. Can't stay like that. That 1 minute red. You want to study that on Google with the inefficiency candles. If I close out here, we've got a $500 profit. And that's way above the 250 target, right? I don't want to make more here because I got some evaluations to pass. This Lucid Flex 150k evaluations. That's the place I'd like to see if I can do some money. Come on. We've got 395. Beautiful entry, right? Beautiful entry. 395 secured. Another 400 on the table. If I take it all, I'm going to walk away with $800. You know, the Lucid Flex accounts are incredible. They're wild. They're wild, to be honest with you guys. We're going to sell a contract there and another one a little bit higher. Look at this one, for example. This is what we did in December. Like 2 days, $6,800. And that's enough for the max payout. So we finished the cycle here, because you only need 5 days, right? On the 24th, we finished the cycle. New cycle started on the 30th. First day, we made 6,000, and that's enough for the max payout. Actually, you don't even do 6,000 for the max payout in a second cycle. 3,000 is enough for the max payout in the second cycle. So it's just wild. And then January 414, and then whatever money I make in this trade, where we already have 395 secured from the profits we've closed out, is going to be on top of that. Yeah, Lucid Direct is lovely too, but it's a different price, so people love that too. 532 right now, 30% off. You know, I'm gonna allow the markets to do their job. 15 minutes to go and the market opens. So we had no losses today. All the targets touched on YRM accounts. On Tap on Futures, we traded a single account and we touched the targets. So that's 4 out of 4. We traded a Lucid earlier. This one we made 477, as you can see. That's the 5th account we traded today, and 5 out of 5 profit. So this one, where we have 900 and the trade is running, it's actually the 6th account we trade today, and this is also having a good time. That's the way to kickstart the week, the month, the year, whatever. Actually, this is the second stream of the year, like I said. It's going to be a heavy week, guys. Heavy week. In terms of volatility, I'm expecting some aggressive, this kind of fat finger 1 minute candles or 5 minute candles, and then we're going to see at some point during the week an hourly fat finger red candles against the mainstream trend. What does it mean? Lucid rules with minimum $1 profit. That one stands for the second or upcoming cycle, so not to the first cycle, second or upcoming cycles, where you need to have basically from the time you start your second cycle to the time you finish and you want to request a payout, you want to have minimum $1 profit, right? So you need that 5 days. Let's do a real example. 5 days of $250 if we talk about 150K. That's basically 1,250. But what if you do the 6th day for some reason and you trade in the 6th day and you lose all that money? You're on zero, basically. Even though you have money from the previous cycle and from the time you started your balance, you might have money on that one. But on that cycle, you have to be minimum $1 in profit in each cycle, starting with the second, right? How did I get over my drawdown fear? Well, I actually built that confidence in time, right? So you cannot avoid the fear from the first moments of your trading. You got to build that on time. You got to be out there in the markets, trade, and continue doing your job. If you have the fear today, it doesn't mean the fear is going to be there in 2 months. Just keep doing your job, trust yourself, and do your job. The fear is going to disappear at some point by itself. And the way it's going to do that is by the way you perform. You start accumulating good trades, you start making money, and the fear disappears by itself. So I didn't have an objective to become confident in this thing or to avoid fear. All these things came out naturally. I did have an objective of controlling myself and respecting the rules I know gotta be respected. The fear is gonna disappear. We touched the whole profit, 1,234, celebration time. Look at that one, guys. Come on. Time to make some money. This is account number 6 traded today. We made money. Boom. Oh. You gotta continue trading and do your job. Yeah, I do leave from trading since 2014, but not from the futures, from the crypto space. I bought Bitcoin when it was less than $500 a piece. How do I manage many accounts mentally without getting overwhelmed? I decide what is enough. So many accounts, sometimes more than 10 is too much, and I stop there. Which is why for the past week or so didn't get to trade those Savios accounts. We got a Savios accounts ready, but I didn't get to trade those because I didn't have the mental stability to continue trading after having a such great period. The last 2 weeks were great. So when you're doing great, it doesn't mean you continue till you mess it up. You continue trading daily as much as like you keep buying accounts and you keep buying accounts and you continue trading daily 20, 30, 40 accounts till you mess it up. No. When you're trading correctly, you also have to stop at some point every single day. You might have more accounts, but that do not mean you have to trade all of them daily. Right? So I did found out what is the balanced level in terms of how many accounts daily for me. At the time I get to that point, you know, it's normal. I stop. And I'm only trading on the stream, and this is helping me a lot. If you're scared about stop losses and, you know, losing, obviously you got to size down. Sizing down is going to help 90% of the ones that are losing money today. Sizing down. You cannot reset YRM instant funding accounts, but you can buy new ones. That's the way the reset works there, to buy new ones. 1 minute. You're watching on the Quant Tower here, the 1 minute. Right, so in order to be a good trader, which is not something I'm claiming to be, but I do have certain things that will help you for sure. Now, I'm a better investor, long term, even short term most of the time. So you gotta constantly visualize your mental and technical and practical activity, guys. Constantly keep an eye on yourself. Do not let things happen without monitoring the cause, the effect. So that's the level you have to be to progress in trading. You will find out how to deal with the sizing, how to deal with the risk management. So instead of trying to find numbers on Google, on YouTube, with percentage, with sizing, with that. Start slowly and adjust. Go based on the feedback you receive from your actions and adjust. And deal with the reality, guys. Be ready to spend some money to learn. Accept the losses you'll have. 100% you're having losses at the beginning. Accept that before you start. There's no way to become a trader and you're profitable for your first minutes. Avoid that thinking. Avoid to have that hope. You don't even to have it. That's not the point. Which is why the majority of the traders have that hope. It's not getting materialized and they give up. So it's like they give up before they would start being profitable. I don't have courses right now. No, I'm not running courses. You're seeing the reset option. Pretty weird, but usually the reset should be the same price, or I don't know anything about reset with YRM. Nothing I know about it. The way I've been doing it personally is to buy new accounts, which is the way I suggested, and that's what they told me as well. So I don't know about the reset thing. But you want to check that out. Maybe it's valuable, but I'm not. No idea about the reset thing there. I have no idea you could reset something on YRM. No reset, right? No reset. Look at that. People confirming that. Skip reset button for now. Look at that. Look at the left not trading, guys. A great comment there from the left not trading. Spend $20,000 right there, and last year took over $130,000 in profit year to date. Congratulations, buddy. Skip that reset button for some reason. It's not working. Yeah, so false expectancies and hopes and stuff like that is a big problem for the trading world. And I'm happy to fix that by showing you my losses as well and difficulties, and you can see everything, which is why we only trade fully, transparently on the live stream. Right? So at some point, by not giving up, you don't have to become like a trading addicted, because this is not gambling. It's kind of hard to short this, but at the same time, in the current price section, we've got 5 different candlesticks in a row putting together on 4 hours the green numbers. Let me try to see something here. This is one thing to consider, and of course from the wick to the body is another thing. So we might see something around the 700s. We might see something, but depends how does the New York session opens, because it's going to be pretty wild. We have that 4-hour candlestick. Look at that red candlestick there. The starting of that candle is always going to be a target, which is 733, around that one. 730s. That's another 100 points from here. Do not underestimate that level to be touched. So we can climb from here. We can still climb from here nicely. Yes, we're profitable for 2025. Sizing is extremely important. People should not underestimate that fact. I trade on minis, sometimes on micros too, but this is the way I got used. This is the way I know how to trade. It doesn't mean you have to trade with minis or... I think people should start with micros. And you shouldn't be ashamed to do $30, $40, $50 days at the beginning with a target of 9,000. It doesn't matter, guys. You know, take it slowly. They can see the learning curve here on the channel. We've been 3 months into continuous losses. For sure. And I'm ready to pretty much expose those numbers. 2 minutes to go when the market opens here. Do not be ashamed to, you know, secure any value that's worth it. If the market becomes dangerous for you to continue on that trade, just, you know, take it away. And the risk-free concept is very important with the break even on the stop loss quite quickly, right? So I don't care I'm getting stopped out 10 different times because I've moved my stop loss too quickly. Yeah, more broadly, exactly. More broadly, well, I do know from the prop firm world, there's a lot of the problems with streamers that are trading so-called off-stream trading as well, right? So not just trading on stream, but they also trade off-stream. Off-stream trading most of the time, unfortunately, means that the prop firms are adding the profits in your accounts. Look at the move we're getting, guys. And you just show up the next day with $2,000 profits, and the whole thing you do on the stream is maybe $50, $100, $200 trades and not much. But the big money is constantly added by the prop firm from the back end in the account. So you stimulate people by showing them profits that way, right? You stimulate them. 10 seconds to go. Prop firms do want you to make money as a streamer because you stimulate a community. Here's the opening bell, guys. Let's find it out. Yeah, of course they do that. It's an interesting opening. We're touching the first yellow line, but I wouldn't rush shorting anything. I wouldn't rush. I'm also a little bit concerned longing it, guys. Yeah, exactly. The longs and shorts discussions. So we have 3 brand new accounts here of Lucid Flex, and I have to, let me see what can I, they're evaluations, right? Which means we have to do $9,000 here. We got news in 30 minutes too. Let me see what can I do with this account. It's not easy to trade here, guys. It's not easy. We might have to revisit that previous daily high, 594, but we do have so many levels that we could actually revisit. It's not easy because I'm, you know, I just made profits up to this moment. We traded 6 accounts. All the 6 accounts touched the target. Let me set up my copy trader. Look at that. We got 6 out of 6 today hitting the target. So when you're in such spot,
It's tempting not to trade anymore. Thank you so much, guys. Testing out a little long here. Single contract. And CTR copy trading. Putting my break even. If it runs back, I'm happy to take the profit a little bit higher. I'm out here. $586 is good, guys, for the first trade of the account. 150k valuation is not bad. Making money in these conditions. So let me set up my copy. Look at that. Marquez is fully retracing on that candle. We would have been stopped out on break even. We would have been stopped out on break even with that. There's a big difference securing 586 compared to nothing. So let me see what we can do here and set up a copy trader. One account out of the three. We've got 3 evaluations of 150k Lucid Flex. One is not going to be copy traded, but the other one, the other 2 will be, right? The other 2 will certainly be. Testing a little short here. Let's see. And the stop loss is going to be above the wick we just made here for the... Right? I'm going like this. I'm going break even. I'm out. We made some money with that one. Not much, but the risk of reversal is always there. 733 profit here. Little long here. Come on. Release the pressure, guys. All the way into 50s. Release the pressure in the 50s. Might have to cut it away. Look at that opening. Look at the opening here. The first 2 5-minute candles. 544.45 might test out along there. My DCA into my trade. If I get the chance to touch the price there. This is a different account than one we have with a copy trader. Put some buy limits there. Stop loss and break even. It has been touched. Yeah, we'll do giveaways today, yes. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, we'll do giveaways today. Trading the Lucid. Gold contracts are leveraged, exactly. Join our Discord. You definitely want to be part of our Discord community. Could that get that movement into 44, 45 below the wick? Would be interesting, guys. Would be interesting. Testing out a little short here. Come on. Little short here. I'm selling there. And over there too. Alright, we're break even right now. We're break even with a contract. We're break even there. Bring it down. All the way below 50s. Because I'm putting some nice long entries here. Right? Bring it down. Below the wick. That's all I need. Below the wick. I'm fully out. I'm fully out. We have 1,854. I've actually flattened all my positions. Let me rework my through the limit orders here. That way for the moment. 1,854. Boom. Celebration and blasting time. 1,854 here. Could get the third red candle, guys. I'm not rushing to market order here. I'm not rushing. Boom. Ho-ho. Could get the third red candle, filling up those orders. Let's see if we get it. Or we might just get front run. Yes, Quantar for the Lucid Rhythmic Connection. Lucid Flex accounts. We just started this Flex account. We got some contracts over here as well. One has been filled up, guys. One has been filled up. All the way above 650s is what I need. Beautiful. 3 contracts filled up. 3 contracts filled up at this spot. On the other accounts, we've got some of it as well. We're trading all the 3 accounts right now. Bring it up, guys. Bring it up. We're taking this limit order away. We're not going to DCA more if it goes lower. We got 3 minis. Come on. Bring it up, guys. Bring it up. We got to do 4,500. And that's going to be great because there's 50% consistency, guys. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Scrambos and fire. Oh, come on. That was so close to the target. Couple of points away. I'm selling a contract here. I'm selling a contract here.
Gotta put a stop loss on break even right there. 4,500. We got this, right? It's half of the final target, 9 grand. Even this way, if I close this one out, we're good. Even this way. We had a great 1 minute candle, but this red one here is stepping in between. Come on, push a little bit higher. So I can trail. I'm trailing right below this green candle we just opened, guys. I am trailing. Raising my target a little bit here. Selling an order. And I'm fully out. $4,453. $4,453, guys, in the first day. Look at that one. Oh my god. And the copy trading on the other accounts here. I'm selling something. Sold a contract. Sold a contract. This is the account we do copy trading. 2 accounts we're doing copy trading. Sold a contract. Exactly 4,500 to respect the 50% consistency. We have another trade. Look at the entry we've got here. Exactly at the bottom of the wick. Exactly. You know, I'm leaving this one open. Could actually get above the 50s. I set my target on 652, 53. Boom. $585. We're trailing. We're trailing $585. Come on, guys. First day, 4,400. Lucid Flex. It's not bad, right? Keep going. That looks lovely. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment, please. Give me a moment. One minute break. 1 minute break. 1 minute break. Give me a moment.
So we touched the break even, right? I am back, guys. Did we just touch the break even? 2,000 here is good. Is good. We might just run this one back. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do. I am back. Not bad. Not so bad. Could be going into a little continuation here. Three minis long. This one could actually take me above the 50s I was talking to you earlier. We made 4,050 on the other account. This 1 minute should have received a rejection, guys. It's not looking good. This 1 minute we just had. If we're not pumping in this candle, if we're not going up in this candle, I'm selling. Because the previous 1 minute... Yeah. I sold 2 contracts, accepted a partial loss. Had to accept it. It was a level of uncertainty. I was too exposed. We'll buy back if we successfully find ourselves in a good shape. We've got news in 9 minutes. Just bought back a little bit. Just got into more here. We've DC'd at this spot. If it holds, we're gonna good for a couple of points. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut it away. We're 5 minis long. Beautiful. Keep it going. Keep it going, guys. Come on. Keep it going. Beautiful, right? That's a lovely trading. I'm fully out here. 4,633 profit. It's too much. It's too much, but it's good to have too much because we can easily lose some money. 4,633. Pure profit here. Look at that one. Boom. All the 3 accounts. All the 3 accounts in the first day made $4,500. Let me lose 100 here. Let me lose 100. I'll short the market. I'll short the market. I'm happy to lose like 200 bucks. I'll short the market. On those 2 accounts, we gotta lose like $200. Come on. I'll short the markets. Because we need to lose something. Now, this is not coming down. You can't make 9,000 in a day because it's 50% consistency. Come on. Don't you... You know, it used to be bullish at that price. That's why I shorted it. Because it weighs way more bullish. But let's see. Let's see, guys. Come on. Help me to lose some money here. You know, I'm gonna DCA.
It makes me money, right? The silly part about prop firms, let me tell you which is the silly part about prop firms. That I have right now extra money, I don't need it. I could do a giveaway and transfer this money to some of your accounts. Think about this one. If prop firms would allow us to transfer money, come on, hit my stop loss. Look at that rejection. Like the video, we're starting the giveaway soon. We don't have a form for today, we're starting the giveaway soon. Like the video. Yeah, the link is not working. We're doing it without the link. Look at that one. I'm gonna double up, guys. I just DCA'd. And I put a $255 loss there. Come on. This is gonna go up, right? Tell me, what are we doing, guys? I don't need this profit. I don't want to see 50 points going down right now because I'm not gonna deal with that. The link is not working. So if prop firms would allow me to close out here and then send you the extra money I made, think how easy it would be to respect the consistency. People would just send money in between. Come on. There's no giveaway link. Today we do the giveaway without the link. We do the wheel and the duck race. Come on, guys. I don't need this. I'm DCing again. It's printing. If it drops 50 points at the news, guess what? Guess what if it drops 50 points on the news? I don't need this one, guys, for the consistency. For the love of consistency, just start the pumping. Exactly. Very difficult, guys, to lose money. Way more difficult than making money, I'm telling you. So we traded today 5 Lucid accounts. 3 of them were at the first day, Lucid Flex accounts, first day evaluations. We got to the target of 4,500. They got a 50% consistency on 9,000 total target. So 4,500 is the maximum I should do. We're all having problems, right? It's just a matter of, I wouldn't say choice. It's not a choice. It's just a matter of situation, timing, and come on, but let's go, guys. It's just a couple of points. Like, look at that. Come on. A little bit. Hit that green button, guys. There you go. 4,378. I was sure about this, right? $4,378 total profit on this one. Let's see the other one because they were copy traded, but they're not the same values, I think. This is 4,448. It's good because it's below 4,500. This has a little bit more. Right, so these are the first 2 we copy traded. 4,378 and 4,448. You see there is a gap between the copy trader and Quant Tower. And then the one we traded alone,
is 4,453. Great. So we got to the first day, targets hit. And then the ones that are funded, 477, 1,234. We got the news right now, not touching the markets. But we forgot to celebrate on that loss. Come on, guys, we got the fireworks here. We're not gonna let you down. We forgot to celebrate. Boom. We forgot to celebrate on that loss. Pan Shalom is already asking the third time for the giveaways today. So guys, it looks like we don't have more time to trade. Pan Shalom from the chat is hurry up on the giveaways. And there is no more time basically for us to trade. Unfortunately, time is over. Time out. Thank you guys. No more time here for me to trade. I've been limited by desires of hungry giveaway winners. But the good part, he is lucky that I actually got to my targets pretty much everywhere, because otherwise he would have been timed out. Otherwise he would have been timed out. So he's lucky for that, right? Alright, great, lovely community. We're also joking, having a great time. What's happening on the PMI? We got some news on the PMI. The market is dropping. And not good I survived because we had that short. I told you I don't want to see the markets dropping 50 points. You are joining the giveaway without the form. You will be joining the giveaway without the form, and we're starting soon. Quite simple. Like the video, guys. Come on. Everyone right now, like the video. Thank you so much, guys. We traded a lot of the accounts. Big profits, full profits today. Big money on board. Subscribe, like the video. What else? Join the Discord. These are the usual things you want to do. Because Formalo did play some games with us today. And their live chat is requesting a few business hours. So what we've got? We got a wheel and we got a ducks, right? That's what we got. The wheel is right here. And the ducks will be over there. Keep that in mind, good fellas. We've got the paddle turned on. We've got the paddle turned on for today. So do not underestimate the capabilities. Give me a second break. Come on. Got to change something between the wires of the paddle. Got to change the strength behind it. We just had to adjust some usual things, right? Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You'll put the comment. Exactly. But let me think about a number. So the first giveaway will be Tap 1 Futures. $25,000 end of the day account. Instant funded. Tap 1 Futures, $25,000 instant funded. The game will be simple. Guess the number. That's going to be the game. Guess the number. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times, please. And a single account. So let's see. We're going to do 10 zeros. 5 number 1, 5 number 2, and 3 number 3 with 3 lucky sevens. You can start right there. You can start right there. So again, guys, we've got 10 zeros, 5 number 1, 5 number 2, 3 number 3, and 3 lucky 7. That's what we've got for a $25,000 Top 1 Futures account. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. A single guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Be subscribed, like the video, and join on board. Streaming from Monday to Friday. Usually we have a giveaway form, but today Formula played games with us. And it was not working, right? Thank you so much, guys. Alright, so that's pretty much all. Stop right there, no more guesses. We had an amazing trading day. Stop right there, no more guesses. You can turn off the bots. We don't need them anymore. We're gonna randomize soon. We're gonna shuffle. There you go. That's gonna be the final version. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. $25,000 Top 1 Futures account instant funded. If we've got more than 100 winners for a specific number, then we're going to have 2 rounds of duck races. Thinking about that 0 on green, guys. What do you guys think about it? It's pretty high. But we might have the number 2 right there. Ho ho! That's going to be the number 2, I guess. $70. Oh ho ho. Number 2. There you go. There you go. Congratulations for the winners. Is this number popular? Like the number 2? Is this one popular, guys? We're going to find it out on the duck race. We're going to find it out. 40 winners. I think so. 40 winners competing for a minute. This is the first giveaway. We're having 2 more. Best of luck, everyone. Destiny is running right here. Jake made it popular, exactly. I don't think he's here. He might not be here. And we gave him the option of number 2. That would be a huge betrayal. Stephanie is aiming to win once again. The 3rd time in the last 2 weeks. Happy kids as well. 5 seconds to go. Someone... TradeMax is speeding up. Look at that. TradeMax is speeding up. Finally, we got you. You're number 15. Congratulations out there. TradeMax. Ho ho. TradeMax and Trader07. But the TradeMax is confirmed. Ho ho. You've been with us, TradeMax, for a while. Our community knows you. That's a great one. Look at that. We've got some popular... Stephanie on the 5th. You did maxed out, buddy. You did maxed out. You didn't got stop lost out. You're good to go. Thank you so much. Let's get to the next giveaway. This was 25k Top 1 Futures, but now it's time to speak about the Lucid. Second giveaway will be Lucid. 50k Lucid Pro. Second giveaway. 50k Lucid Pro. Second giveaway. Yeah, he actually came out of the woods. I know you guys. love Lucid accounts. Let me think about. I'll get you on 5 number 7. 5 zeros. And that's it. You can start right now. You can start right now. 5, 7, 5 zeros. Flat open. You can take your numbers. Come on. Take your numbers. Your first guess is accepted after the starting command. If you say something else, if you write a different number, you're not going to be in the queue. I think we're going to have more people going for number 7, guys. I think you guys are the lucky 7 there. $630s on the Nasdaq. Ho-ho. Stop right there. No more continuation. No more guesses. You can turn off the bots. Stop right there. You can turn off the bots. Good. I'm going to shuffle it this way. It's pretty nicely randomized. Best of luck, everyone. So now you got 187. You earlier had less. Let's see. Is that going to be the 000 we have coming up right there? The 000. We're not going to be on the blue. We're not going to be on the red. But I don't think we passed through the yellow because of the pedal is lacking gas. No gas to flash through the yellow, guys. But we hit the yellow for sure because that's the pedal. And there you go. Congratulations for the zeros. No lucky 7 out here. I'm going to force the ratio for the 3rd giveaway. Trying to go for that lucky 7 for you guys somehow. But certainly congratulations for the 0 winners. If we got more than 100, you know what happens. 106. Ho ho, 106. You guys will compete for a minute and then the top 3 will actually go for the 2nd race. Top 3 will go for the 2nd race. Best of luck, everyone. Let's go, Rocky Trades. Happy birthday out there. It's still not late. It's still not late. Come on. Shut out. Who's speeding up? Crypto game codes once again, but this someone coming from behind. You got lucky 7. Good job. Congratulations. Look at that one, number 18. Alien. Look at that one. Alien. Hey, congratulations. Congratulations for the winner. Congratulations, buddy, out there. Pretty close to the 2nd rank, but we don't have the form to verify today. So you got the 50k Lucid Pro account on your side. Congratulations for that. Nowhere near. Getting to the ducks, getting to the wheel. The 3rd. What's happening in the markets? Ho ho, 640s. 640s. So, let me think about the 3rd giveaway, which is going to be, by the way, 50k. YRM. 50k YRM. That's what we're gonna share today. So for you to have a lucky 7 ratio, we're gonna do it this way. We're gonna put 7, number 7, right? 3 zeros, a single number 1, and a single number 3. So again, you can start right now. 7, number 7, 3 zeros, a single number 1, and a single number 3. Let me know. Oh, let me just verify. We're supposed to do 2 rounds earlier, right? Let me verify. We had 106. We're supposed to do 2 rounds earlier, guys. We're gonna do it. Earlier, we're supposed to do 2 rounds. Here. With all the winners here, we're supposed to do 2 rounds. Because we have 106, and I told you we're gonna do 2 rounds. We're gonna do the second round once we finish this one. We're supposed to do 2 rounds earlier. I forgot about it. We had 106 winners. So we're gonna do it. The second round is gonna be done at the end once we finish with the third giveaway. We're supposed to do. Ho ho. Best of luck, everyone. Stop right there. Let me shuffle this way. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. We've got a double 7 coming up, but that's not going to be the answer of the paddle. I think we crossed that blue number 7, unfortunately. I think we crossed that. Paddle is going for the solo number 1 we have on the board. Wow. The paddle is going for that solo number 1 we have on the board, guys. Look at that. What a crazy move. Oh my gosh. That's the number 1 for the winners. $28 winners only. 28 winners, but we still have to repeat this one with a top 3 from the second giveaway. Don't forget about it. We're going to do it at the end, guys. Because we had 106 on the list. 106. And we're going to repeat that one. Actually advance in the round number 2. In the meantime, let's do the third giveaway. This one. Let's finish with this one. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. T.O. Destiny is running again with a dino costume. 660s on the Nasdaq. Five seconds, Bull Rusk. Look at that one. Let's go. Oh, congratulations. Bull Rusk, there you go. Congratulations. You got this. You got this, Bull Rusk. Congratulations. Now, for the second giveaway. Second round of the duck race. I'm inviting the people, the winners, the top 3. Ali, Randu, and Fred. You guys have to be here. We're running the second round. We are running the second round of the second giveaway. You guys will compete for a minute. Shuffle, you're good to go. Good job. Come on. Let's go, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Good job. Come on. This is the second giveaway. We're doing the second round for the duck race. We had more than 100 participants, that's why. We just forgot about it earlier. 20 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up? Fred, are you ready? This is a Lucid account. This is a Lucid account. 50k Lucid Pro. Alien, 5 seconds to go. Alien speeding up once again and probably winning the second one here. There you go, Alien. Card holder number 4. Hey, you got this, buddy. You actually have a back-to-back winner. You won the race of 106, and now you also successfully made it. Look at that one. Congratulations. Ho, ho, ho. You've secured your place. Good job. Whew. Well, that was it for today, guys. That was it for today. Look at that one. We had a huge day, right? Tremendous day we had today. Making money for the YRM accounts. Making money for the Top-WTFutures accounts. Making money for the Lucid accounts. On the funded ones. On the brand new flex that we bought. 3 150k flexes we bought. All the 3 got to 4,500, 400. Thank you so much, guys, for joining on board today. Thank you so much. Having a lovely time today. Peace. Careful. We're continuing tomorrow. Careful with the sizing, with the risk. We had a huge day. You can certainly look at the stream today. We had some great trading going on. And a lot to learn from it. On for the new ones, on for the next ones, and for the best days that are about to come, guys. It's just early 2026, and we started with the right foot. Did not expect it to be different, and I'm not expecting to be different in your situation too. Onwards, upwards. Have a